My name is Lasya Priya. I'm a student of grade 10 here at Meru International School.
Hi, my name is Sathwik and I study at Meru International School, grade 10B.
Recently, I got a chance to participate in the Young Doctors Camp hosted by Yashoda Hospitals. I got to know about this camp from my school. The 2 days camp was an amazing experience.
Overall, the hospital was very informative on topics like modern medicine, physiotherapy, cardiology, and various other topics addressed.
I got to visit the cath lab, emergency room, ICU, and even inside the operation theatre.
The hospital was also very informative to know about the various day-to-day operations of a doctor.
We got to speak to experienced doctors who told us about the ups and downs of a career as a doctor. We got to meet new friends who were all excited about becoming a doctor too.
It also had a huge impact on my decision making to go further into this process of becoming a doctor.
Overall, the experience was eye-opening as it gave me a chance to know more about my career.
In the end, I would like to thank Meru International School for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.